Now this video is being recorded for the purpose of taking it as a evidence in the court of law. WhatsApp is obstructing my lawful use of WhatsApp, whereas I am a responsible citizen of India. I am a IPS officer of 1984 batch. I had been the DGP Railways, DGP Home Guard, Civil Defense and Disaster Management, and SDRF, and DGP Police Reform. Despite that, WhatsApp is time and again obstructing my activities, and it is not really permitting me to do the same. I am trying to add existing groups. You will see for yourself that it will not permit, whereas I am the admin of these groups. For example, now add these in the community. It is saying grouped linked is temporarily disabled for this group, or community try again in a few hours. So why it has done? This is clear cut obstructionist policy on the part of the WhatsApp. This video is being recorded for the purpose of the court purpose, so that WhatsApp could be taken to the court for violating its own terms and conditions. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, जय गुरुदेव.